Question number 1 subpart 2. Cosec inverse of 2. Cosec inverse of 2. I will make use of the reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation says cosec inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 1 upon x. That we have seen just now. So making use of this, I will directly say that this is sin inverse of half. And again by using the same, I will say that let this is equal to x, and therefore I will get this x is equal to pi by 6, and therefore cosec inverse of 2 is also pi by 6. I hope you understood that. Hello. Question number 1 subpart 3. Question number 1 subpart 3. Tan inverse of minus 1. Tan inverse of minus 1. Tan inverse of minus 1. Well, how do you go for that? Tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to, कैसे करेंगे? I will say that let this is equal to x. Therefore, tan of x is equal to 1. Minus 1. So that is equal to minus tan of pi by 4. Now, what is the principal value branch of tan inverse function? Tan inverse of x का principal value branch मैंने आपको बताया था क्या था? Principal value branch क्या होता है? It is again minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, but that's an open interval. Okay, so I can say that this is tan of minus theta, so that is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. And minus pi by 4 very much belongs to this principal value branch. We say minus pi by 4 belongs to this, and therefore I will say that therefore x is equal to, tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 4, and that is the answer. We have to make sure that our answer is in that principal value branch. Did you understand this? Is this clear to you all? Is x. Therefore tan x is equal to minus root 3. Tan उधर चला गया. So tan x is equal to minus root 3. But this is tan for which angle? This is tan of 60 minus tan of pi by 3. That is equal to tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So tan of minus pi by 3. Tan x is equal to tan of minus pi by 3. You know minus pi by 3 इसको belong करता है क्या? Minus 60 degree, yes. So we say that minus pi by 3 belongs to the principal value branch. What is that? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Open it down. And therefore x is equal to, मतलब tan inverse of minus root 3 is equal to minus pi by 3 is the answer. Please check whether this is clear to all. Please check. Sin inverse of 1 upon root 2. I will say let this is equal to x. Therefore sin x is equal to 1 upon root 2. That is equal to sinus pi by 4. Now is this pi by 4 lying in the principal value branch of the sin inverse function? Tell me, what is the principal value branch for sin inverse function? Sin inverse function के लिए प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच क्या होता है? Closed का open, closed interval, and this pi by 4 belongs to this, and therefore sin inverse of 1 upon root 2 is equal to pi by 4. This is how we will solve the questions. Okay, बोर्ड में अपने को ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. Next, cos inverse of minus half. Cos inverse of minus half. Let this is equal to x. Therefore cos x is equal to minus half. अब cos x is equal to minus half, ये मुझे फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. माइनस हाफ को अगर बाहर ही रखें तो दिस इज माइनस cos of pi by 3. Now cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. इसको यूज करके मैं इसको लिख सकता हूँ cos of I minus pi by 3. Do you understand this? This is cos x is equal to, है ना? That is equal to cos of 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 का मतलब होता है 2 into 120 डिग्री. अच्छा, cos इनवर्स के लिए प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच क्या होता है जी बताइए. हेलो. What is the principal value branch for cos inverse function? Are you all there? Check करके बताइए. It is 0 to 2 pi. Closed interval. मतलब 0 to pi ना. 0 to pi होता है. Principal value branch for this. रेफर करो. टेबल चाहिए तो आपको. Principal value branch for cos inverse function. 0 to pi मतलब 180 डिग्री तक. ये तो 120 है. So this 2 pi by 3 very much belongs to this, and therefore I would say cos inverse of minus half is equal to 2 pi by 3. That is the answer. No? Is this clear to all? Hello. Are you all following this? Tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of half plus sin inverse of half. मुझे हर एक का प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच से फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल से लेट दिस इज x, दिस इज y, दिस इज z. सो tan x is equal to 1. Tan of what is 1? Tan of pi by 4 is 1. प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच tan इनवर्स फंक्शन का होता है minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 for closed open interval, and pi by 4 very much belongs to this. And therefore x is equal to tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4. Whereas let y is equal to cos inverse of half. Therefore cos y is equal to half. This is cos of what? This is cos of pi by 3. What is the principal value branch of cos function? For cos function it is 0 to pi, it is a closed interval, and pi by 3 very much belongs to this, and therefore y is equal to cos inverse of half is equal to pi by 3. Third one, let z is equal to sin inverse of half. Therefore sin z is equal to half, and that is equal to sin of pi by 6. Sin inverse function का principal value branch is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. It's a closed interval, and pi by 6 belongs to this very much. Therefore z is equal to sin inverse of half is equal to pi by 6. Therefore what is the given expression? बोलिए. The given expression, if I substitute this out, therefore given expression, बोलिए, x which is pi by 4 plus y which is pi by 3 plus z which is pi by 6. Well, basically 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 plus 45, 140, 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree, or I can say 3 times pi by 4. Well, that is the answer. Please check whether this is clear to all. Hello. Is this clear to all? 3 pi by 4. Please take a screenshot. Yes. Question number 2, subpart 2. I will call this first thing as x, and this is y. So let x is equal to cos inverse of half. Therefore cos x is equal to half. That is equal to cos of what? Pi by 3. And pi by 3 belongs to the principal value branch of cosine. Cos inverse का principal value branch होता है 0 to pi. क्लोज्ड इंटरवल. तो हर बार मैं लिख रहा हूँ ताकि आपका रिवाइज हो जाए. एंड देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू cos इनवर्स ऑफ हाफ इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 3. Similarly, let y is equal to sine inverse of half. Therefore, sine y is equal to half, that is equal to sine of pi by 6. And y, that is pi by 6, belongs to the principal value branch of sine inverse function, which is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Therefore, y is equal to sine inverse of half, and that is equal to pi by 6. Correct? And therefore, what is the given expression? Therefore, given expression is equal to x, which is pi by 3, plus 2 times y, which is pi by 6. That is 2 3s are. So 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Please check the answer. Any doubts with it? Hello? 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 Take it. Yeah, please take the screenshot. You are taking. Yeah. Proceeding. Question number 4. Cosec inverse of minus root 2. Let me call this as x. So if this is x, so what is cosec x is equal to minus root 2. And what is cot y is equal to root 3. Cosec I am not comfortable. I will take this reciprocal. Sin x is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. That is equal to minus sine of pi by 4. Sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. So I say this is sine of minus pi by 4. And this minus pi by 4 belongs to the principal value branch of sine inverse function, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And therefore, x, which is actually cosec inverse of minus root 2, is equal to minus pi by 2. Similarly, let me carry out this for cot y. What is tan y is equal to 1 upon root 3. That is equal to tan of pi by 6. And this pi by 6 very much belongs to the principal value branch of tan inverse, which is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And therefore, y is equal to cot inverse of root 3, which is equal to pi by 6. And therefore, the given expression is equal to क्या बनेगा बताइए? x मतलब minus pi by 4 plus y, that is plus pi by 6. Now I'll multiply and divide this by 3 and this by 2, so that this is minus 3 pi plus 2 pi is minus pi by 12, and that is the answer. Is this clear to all? Hello? See, 0.3 में क्या वन, दिस इज द LHS and this is the RHS to be. मैं इसको करूँगा x और इसको करूँगा y. Therefore sin x is equal to, बता सकते हो, sin x is equal to -1/√2 and sin y is equal to √3/2. Now this is nothing but minus sin of pi by 4. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, that is sin of minus pi by 4. And the principal value branch of inverse sine function is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, where this angle minus pi by 4 belongs to. And therefore x is equal to sin inverse of minus 1/√2, and that is equal to minus pi by 4. Did you understand this? Are you understanding this? Hello. Sine of what is √3/2? Is sine of pi by 3. And pi by 3 of course belongs to the principal value branch minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. आप लोग बोलोगे तो सही रहेगा, आपका भी प्रैक्टिस होगा. मेरे को एग्जाम नहीं देना, मैं पास हो जाऊंगा, आपका एग्जाम नहीं देगा. So therefore y is pi by 3 and that is nothing but sin inverse of √3/2. Therefore LHS is equal to क्या बनेगा? LHS is equal to x मतलब minus pi by 4 minus 3 times y, that is pi by 3. This gets cancelled. So minus pi by 4 minus pi, which is equal to minus 5 pi by 4. Minus 1 second. This is equal to. गड़बड़ ये है कि भाई उनको प्रॉब्लम चेंज करना पड़ेगा. उनको प्रॉब्लम क्या चेंज करना पड़ेगा? उन्होंने प्रिंट मिस्टेक किया है बाबा, उनको ये प्लस ही लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आंसर नहीं आता. सो आई विल टेक दिस प्लस प्लस नहीं होगा, प्लस ही होगा, प्लस होगा, कुछ नहीं, प्लस होगा, तब चल के आंसर तो मेरा pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 होगा, that is equal to RHS. देखो आपको क्वेश्चन में ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, उसको करेक्ट करके उनको भेजना पड़ेगा. Trigonometric ratios, half, √3/2, these are the known trigonometric ratios. So let me call this, I have to do this now. So I'll call this as x, I'll call this as y, I'll call this as z. Would you all like to answer now? Hello? Can you please try to answer this? Would you take some things? This becomes sin x is equal to minus half. This will give me cos y is equal to minus √3/2. And this is cos z is equal to minus 2. Now this is equal to minus sin of pi by 6. That is equal to sin of minus pi by 6. And minus pi by 6 lies in the principal value branch of inverse cosine function minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. ये minus 30 degree है, and therefore x, which is sin inverse of minus half, is equal to minus pi by 6. First part is done. Second part now, cos y. This is minus cos of pi by 6. And use the formula cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So if I use this formula, this comes out to be cos of pi minus pi by 6. That is equal to cos of 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 का मतलब होता है 5 into 30 degree, 150 degree. And this 5 pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi, which happens to be the principal value branch of inverse cosine function. And therefore y, which is cos inverse of minus √3/2, is actually equal to 5 pi by 6. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you saying anything. Hello? Hello? Oh, good. Now same thing here, this is cos z, this is minus cos of pi by 3. Once again the same formula. So this is cos of, this is cos of pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to cos of 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 का मतलब होता है 2 times 60 degree, that is 120 degree. And it is lying below. Though this 2 pi by 3 belongs to the principal value branch 0 to pi closed interval for inverse cosine function, and therefore z, which happens to be cos inverse of minus half, is actually 2 pi by 3. And therefore now let me put it like, what is the LHS? LHS is x plus y, that is minus pi by 6 plus 5 pi by 6. That is equal to 4 pi by 6. That is equal to 2 pi by 3. And that is equal to z. And that is equal to RHS. That's true. Is this clear to you? Hello. Look at the questions here. Question number 3. Question number 3 method 1 and 3 method 2. And this is question number 3 method 3. Look at the questions. Now, if I talk about the trigonometric ratios like half, plus or minus root 3 by 2, plus or minus 1 upon root 3, plus or minus root 3, plus or minus 1 upon root 3, plus or minus 1. These are the known trigonometric ratios, yes or no? For 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, tan, sine, cos, whatever. So we call these as the known trigonometric ratios. Are you all understanding what I am saying here? These are the known trigonometric ratios, and whereas these are not the known ones. But I think I know these as trigonometric triplets. 3, 4, 5. And this is 5, 12, 13. You see? These are the trigonometric triplets, if you see. So the method of approach for these types of questions is different. The method of approach for these types of questions we already talked about. इसका approach अलग होगा. Okay? Hello? Hello? So I will call this as alpha and this as beta. We call this as alpha and beta. Yeah, x and y. Whatever. So x go. Let's go y. So let us proceed further. And then let's say here, let x is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5. Therefore, sin x is equal to 3 by 5. Y is equal to cos inverse of 12 by 13. Therefore, cos y is equal to 12 by 13. Now, immediately we prepare a right angle triangle here. I say this is x. Opposite side, hypotenuse, adjacent side. And therefore, cos x is 4 upon 5. I hope you understand that. And here also, I will prepare the right angle triangle. This is y. Adjacent side is 12, hypotenuse is 30, and therefore opposite side is 5. And again, तो मैं sin y भी लिख लूँगा, which is 5 by 30. And अपने को prove क्या करना है? We have to prove that. We have to prove that. क्या prove करना है? इसका method of approach is little different. X plus y is equal to sin inverse of 56 upon 65. अब sin inverse को इधर ले लूँगा. So let me say that is to prove that. That is to prove that sin of x plus y is equal to 56 upon 65. That is to prove that. That is to prove that sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is equal to 56 upon 65. Now what is sin x is equal to 3 upon 5. What is cos x is equal to 4 upon 5. What is, sorry, cos y. Cos y is 12 upon 30. Cos x is 4 upon 5. Sin y is 5 by 30. Is 56 upon 65. That is to prove that 12 3s are 36 plus 20 upon 65. That is equal to 56 upon 65. Hence proof. हो गया proof? Hello? Hence proof. Is this okay? Hello? इसमें से मैं किसी एक को x बोल दूंगा. I want to prove this one. Let me call this as x. So I'll say let x is equal to cos inverse of 3 upon 5. Therefore cos x is 3 by 5. Let me prepare a right angle triangle, something like this. So this is angle x. So this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. This is 4. Right now. Therefore what is sin x is equal to 4 upon 5. Therefore what is x is equal to sin inverse of 4 upon 5. But that way what is x is equal to ये भी x और ये भी x. तो x की जगह पर मैं ये लिखूंगा cos inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to sin inverse of 4 upon 5. ओके मतलब मैं cos inverse of 3 upon 5 पर की जगह पर cos inverse of 4 upon 5 लिख सकता हूँ. So what is LHS is equal to, इसके जगह पर मैं लिखूंगा sin inverse of 4 upon 5 प्लस ये अलग से है cos inverse of 4 upon 5 and then according to that formula sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 and that is equal to RHS. Is this clear to you all? Hello? Is this clear to you? Hello? So याद रखिए, in this case we have to make use of this formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where this formula is used when xy is less than 1 and the same formula becomes pi plus this thing when xy is greater than 1. In the form problem, if I say hello, कितना टाइम रह गया? ओके